Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
If heartburn starts, act quickly to neutralize stomach acid and ease pain. Mix 1/2 teaspoon baking soda into 4 ounces of water and stir until dissolved. Sip the solution slowly and do not exceed package directions for dosing. If you prefer, take an over-the-counter antacid tablet as labeled for immediate relief. Also sip 6 to 8 ounces of plain water slowly to help wash acid back into the stomach. Avoid lying down for at least 2 hours after symptoms. Change daily habits to prevent heartburn from recurring and feel better overall. Eat smaller meals throughout the day instead of 2 or 3 very large meals. Stop eating at least 2 to 3 hours before you lie down or go to sleep. Avoid common trigger foods like spicy foods, tomato, chocolate, peppermint, and coffee to reduce acid production. Raise the head of your bed about 6 inches using blocks or a wedge to prevent nighttime reflux while you sleep. Seek medical care when heartburn becomes frequent, severe, or changes suddenly. See a provider if symptoms occur more than 2 times per week, despite lifestyle changes. Discuss safe use of daily over-the-counter options or prescription proton pump inhibitors like omeprazole 20 mg when appropriate. Seek urgent evaluation immediately for severe chest pain, trouble swallowing, persistent vomiting, or vomiting blood. Your clinician can test for complications and recommend tailored
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.